Hello, this is Mosh Bari. In this video, you will learn how to do only one thing, and that one thing will be copy and paste, and it will help you make $1.6 million per month. Wow, Mosh, that's a real big claim. Is that what you are saying? Well, I cannot guarantee that you will make $1.6 million, but I can tell you this is the right thing to do that we have been doing and making money online, basically 7-figure per year, and we will show you a website that is doing it very, very easily. Not only you will learn how to do that one thing, but you can do it from anywhere on the planet. And you can do it even if you have absolute zero idea about how to make money online. You have zero experience, you can be of any age and any language, and you can still make money. And you can make money directly to your PayPal, to your bank account, or crypto if you want. And the best of the best part, our premium softwares are coming to you as free. The access links will be in the description. These softwares will help you make it happen. But before we begin, please make sure you watch the full video because I will lay the whole process in a step-by-step manner throughout the video. So if you miss one segment or if you skip any section, you will end up not understanding what we are doing. And chances are you will fail to earn money online using this system. This process doesn't need any investment, any experience, or any technical knowledge. Before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts. This way you help them learn how to make money online the easy way and the right way. And they will also get notified when we will upload our next money making video. So let us begin. I learned this from a 9-figure marketer and online entrepreneur. Luckily, he was my personal mentor. That was my first coaching call with him, and he asked me, how do I run my business, my company? How is the income system? What is the process? So I told him I do this, we do that, we do that, we do that. I told him a lot of stuff. And he asked me about one thing. Tell me one thing that creates the maximum impact in your business. That one thing that brings in the maximum results. What is that one thing? So together we brainstormed and we figured that one thing that creates the maximum impact and brings in the maximum results in terms of money, stability, and growth. So with that one thing, we earn money, our business is stable, and we grow as we grow that one thing. Then my mentor told me to focus on that one thing. Personally, build and grow, do it more and more, and let other things done by others. I followed his instruction, and since then, we never had to look back. Our business grew to become a 7-figure software development and marketing company. We are stable, our business is stable, and we are growing. Without excessive hard work, without confusion, and without ever going down. So that one thing is what I'm going to share with you today, and there is a huge chance that you will be able to make money as well. So let us begin. By the way, if you liked our video so far, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts. This way you help them learn how to make money online the easy way and the right way. Let us begin. Let's start with a calculator. 329,000 multiplied by 5. $1.6 million income per month. Good or bad? Super good, right? 329,000 is the monthly visitors this website is getting. And this website domain is 5minutecrafts.site. Probably you already know about 5minutescrafts. But did you ever notice that this is a .site domain? And if you go to look at domain Namecheap or any domain selling website, you see .site is only $1.88 per year domain. It's the cheapest domain type, and literally they built their empire on a .site domain. So the first myth busted, which is not important in your business, is a .com website. Previously, in the past, our gurus used to tell us that you need a .com website to build a business on. But no, you don't need it. Even a .site website works. Whether you have a website or not, you can always use Maven, free link in the description. You can get it free. This software, our software, premium but free for you, you can make a website just by copying and pasting a URL. I will show you that in a moment. But before that, let's go to their traffic sources. Almost all of their traffic come from social media. That is another myth. People say that you need Google traffic or search engine traffic. You need paid traffic. No, you don't. You only need social media traffic. All your targeted visitors and customers are already on social media. In the details we know, almost all their traffic are coming from Facebook. Yes, Maven will drive Facebook traffic for you completely free. Go get Maven, access from the description. Now we will go to Uber Suggest and we want to see which of their contents are getting traffic. Okay, just because they're not getting traffic doesn't mean they're doing whatever they want. They are doing what people are actually looking for. Look at their contents. Their contents are directly related to what people are looking for on the search engines. So the moment Google will find them useful, Google will push their contents on top and they will start getting search engine traffic. But at the moment, they only get social media traffic. Now we are using another software to analyze their content, which is called Social Animal. Just look at this one. It was published on 2021, April 13th. And when they shared this content on Facebook, Facebook sent 30,000 engagements. And this is the content. Look at the content. They have a headline that people are looking for, of course. And it's interesting and it's share-worthy. Go through the content, you'll find a couple of images and a little bit of text content. By the way, you don't need any of this. You can create a website using copying and pasting URLs and nothing else. So now let me show you how you can use Maven and create a website like this. Hey, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to Maven app and let's snatch some authority content and traffic. First, this is the login page and use these boxes to log in. You are in. Super awesome. Now everybody is talking about iPhone 13, its battery, its cameras. We want to review it, but we don't have time for it. So we found some authority blog. We want to hijack it. All you have to do is to copy this URL, click this add blog button and paste this URL and click create. Boom, your content is ready. The images are ready. You can change them from here, do some formatting in this text editor and add your links using this box. Let's open in a new window and click save. Add another bold, italic and link if you want, or as many as you want because you want more links. Maybe you want to make it bold and italic and that's it. Click save. Oh yes, you have to add a blog title. Done. Click save. Yes. Now the magical part. The authority content is hijacked, but it's a hijacked content. You want to make it yours and you want to make it unique. That's where this spin block content button comes in. Just one click and the content is rewritten to the highest quality, just like a human written content. Go click save. Boom. Now you want to add some more images. Yeah, that makes sense. Click anywhere, click this image button, use any of these options. Let's say use Pixabay, use your search term, searched and found, and you want to choose this. Click. Your image is added. Super cool, right? Now you want to add more. Just one click and add more. Now you may want to add a video. All you need is the embed code of a video. Click anywhere you want to add, click the video button and paste the video embed code. Click add, and your video is added. Wow, super cool, right? Click save. Fill all this information, add your name, add description, anchor tags, and category, and hit publish now. Boom, your blog post is ready. Your authority blog post is ready. Click view and it opens. Wow, that's so awesome. Ready to make money for you. Is this your link? Open link in new window. Yes. So what you waiting for? Go grab your Maven access right now and hijack traffic from authority sites. Go do it. Now you might be asking, what is the one thing that changed our lives, our business, and put us on growth? 7-figure per year software company. That one thing is traffic, visitors. And for that, we did only one thing and one thing only. We focused on high quality, helpful, entertaining, and share-worthy content. We have multiple channels, and this is the only channel somebody is speaking in the camera. In all our channels, we don't speak in the camera. We use our software Epic. Link in the description. You can get this software for free and you can even see how Epic works. You can make videos, content like this by copying and pasting links and nothing else. You can use AI to add voiceover, and you can use AI to create script or text for you. you can get access for free, link in the description. Now you might be thinking the $1.6 million that I calculated by multiplying 329,000 visitors and 5. Here is the 5. We promoted one of our products and we made $5.21 for every visitor we sent to the offer. So as an assumption, we calculated $5 per visitor. So from 329,000 visitors, this website 5-minute craft start site, as an assumption, making $1.6 million per month. It can be more, it can be less, but it's a good amount of money. It came from only one thing that moved and shaked everything that are bringing results for them, and that is awesome contents and nothing else. Their content is so good, which is very easy to make using Maven, link in the description. People love to engage and share on social media and drive traffic completely automatically. That traffic brings all the results. So that one little thing changed our life, our business, and it will change your life and your business as well. Start creating your own contents. That one little thing using Epic for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and use Maven to build your own website, get traffic, and make money. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way and the right way. So you can focus on doing only one thing that will actually get you results. Don't focus on domain, don't focus on flashy websites, shortcuts, or etc. The only shortcut is when you use the right softwares like Epic and Maven, link in the description, they are free, go get them, and build your own asset. Engaging, entertaining, educational, informative, awesome, share-worthy content, and keep publishing. Get all the traffic from social media, and money is yours. We will see you in the next video.